Dagol! Asus! Sige lang, Dagol. Kawawa ka naman pag umalis na kami. I've been feeding these stray dogs since I've been here. January 13. I'll be going home on January 23. So yeah, a little bit sad because no one's feeding this dog. I've been feeding them, three dogs, one mama dog. So yan, I let him into the house and feed him every morning and afternoon. Talagang alam na niya kasi pinapakain ko siya. So, pilay siya. And then, nakikipagpatintero siya lagi sa mga sasakyan kasi highway dito sa lugar namin. So, nakakatakot kasi bus sa mga trucking. So, nakakatakot. So, ilang beses na rin siyang na-hit and run. So, ayun. Still surviving. Si Dagong. Okay na, dogs?